Yeah, I would tell us that Jason got me. No. I would tell us that Jason got. Who did that way?
I'm Mustanis.
Oh, me never hear, me no know.
It's all like a
So, hold on, what you want me to do? Curry the goat?
No.
Or a curry? On the camera right now.
I can't do that.
Yes, man.
No.
What do you mean?
But the whole world just here, just not get married wedding for go. So, Parry, them I go send my clothes, come. Me I go beg clothes, because me have to come. Me want a aisle boot.
You want an aisle boot?
Yeah, and I want a hat. Uncle Murphy, make sure you're suit, you know.
Yeah, of course.
But Steely there. Steely never hear about that wedding, yeah? Yeah, that wedding is a fast wedding. So I wish that the wedding keep up here. Because if I up here, be a drama, you know.
I know, but I know up here we are doing it at church. That's what we decided. But then
Oh, back around here. So which part? Yeah, me know say around the church ceremony I keep. So which part we are going to dance and eat curry goat and go on with all of them something there?
we are promote social distance. So
No, when says the COVID still a go keep.
COVID still a go keep.
Yeah, me stay far and dance.
We are promote safety justice.
So you say COVID still a go keep the same yeah, look so.
Yes.
So we can't have a social distance wedding. Me forgot say all COVID. When I come to country, I remember COVID, you know.
We used to do most of the stuff in my church, and then after a while when COVID feel like saying one.
Oh, you keep a little thing.
You just call in who never get a chance.
Yeah,
to
man.
call in.
Yeah.
And just have a wonderful time.
And ram go tune.
You see, me know if you know cooking goat you can go on, but you see me as a vegetarian, you know, we don't
So it's a vegetarian wedding.
you would love that. That will be
No, but forget some curry goat. They chat about, but yeah, you vegetarian people and can't eat that. Forget some curry goat, Uncle Murphy. A beer war. Me I carry my scandal back home for carry my food and my yard. A Jamaican me be, you know. So anywhere I go, Uncle Murphy, any wedding me go, I have to have my scandal back for carry my food.
We are promoting Itals food them too, you know, because you see we Ital food them. Right now, I feel like we're kicking like an horse.
Yeah, Rasta.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Alright, say no more on the vlog.
Alright.
When you come up here, so you like your dad already?
Yes.
Yeah.
I read this up in Top Mountain.
Yeah, ready is up in Top Mountain Parry. Yeah, everybody have put out the instruction, no thieving light around here.
No.
Yeah, not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Social distance and yeah, up there so look nice and everything I go on, everything capacity. We have a nice angel right there upon there. Uncle Murphy, anytime you come here, Uncle Murphy up here so look nice. Him feel good when he come up here so. Yeah. Let me not tell you.
I would not pretty view stretch cross over the
Yeah, you're pretty what?
pretty view. If you hold the camera.
Hey dog. Shut up. Alright, Paris, me I go on the view at this Top Mountain, you know. A place really fit it name. Uncle Murphy.
Alright, make them see me.
You want them see you? Me never know you want them see you, Salah. You know the people them all over the world. Yeah, man. All in all them people that depend on Julie, all of them I see you, you know. Yeah, alright. Salah said that. See? Alright, so them see you. Yeah. Who? Yeah, man. All of them are going to see you, Salah, man. Alright. Me I go and go up the road there, you know, make the people them see what I go on up a bush mouth. Yeah. Uncle Murphy, take up go on. We are walk go so we are get little exercise. Yeah. Yeah. Your front tire look away, you know. Just now which part up here you get here. So they make that wall, yeah? That the water can leak out.
Yeah, man.
And so my workman just if you make the wall, the water can leak out. Up here, so not look bad at all. Yeah. Long time I not come up here.
You see, man, put in a nice concrete post.
Yeah.
A man of money of this now out of them pocket.
They know them for do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, friend did from them say if you make that, you have to make that, you know.
Yeah.
But me not have no money for make that, so I put up my other post.
You're good guy in your road.
Oh, them they far.
So that. Where this lead to?
Oh, them have to take this to carry like that for them yard way down there, so. Okay, I have to put it up here, so. Yeah, man, me know who for house that pass. Yeah, man. Take your time, Uncle Murph, take your time. At Christmas. Happy Christmas to all of my party them.
So
Good time.
So we are promoting all the woodland them and take a truth here. Simple
Yeah.
woodland there. We have first class here.
Yeah, fresh. The ear up here, fresh terrains.
Fresh so till the tick.
Me not tell a lie, party. Right now, me feel some fresh, clean air. I go down in my lungs. That is for real.
Yeah.
That is for real. Even fresher than down I flat.
You were fresher than
Yeah, because we're up on the mountain here, so let me show them. Wow. That's why up here is called Top Mountain District. So all of the party them, you know, I know some of them on it, you know. All of the party them, we come on the live, on the nose. We come from up at Top Mountain. We don't watch that vlog here. We don't big up on yourself. I found a place this. Yeah, people ever deal with them thing. Yeah. Why them planting up there so big? Me not tell a lie. Up here fresh, Jason. Up here fresh, the ear fresh.
Yeah, man.
Parry, I'm not telling a lie. The ear fresh and clean. Wow. Eh? Yeah, man. For real, Jason. A long time in a breed now here so fresh. Wow. No pollution. Yeah. I mean, I walk up on hill at Paris, see Uncle Murphy I go on there. I mean, I push too hard. Yeah. At the church cottage that no?
Yes.
But it's shabby. You want to tear down, man?
You don't see one man live up there.
Eh?
The man called August.
Oh.
Yeah.
But now at December.
Yeah, but then again, it's August. Yeah.
Watch the people, watch the vegetation over there. So one thing we just say, you know, banana in a Barry. St. Mary a banana place.
A beer cocoa.
Yeah.
You can look on the gold, you see beer, Jamaican cocoa.
Yeah, man, and a nice piece of look a piece of banana over there, so too. Planting over there too. Yeah, one thing with this a place at St. Mary.
The berry salt, right? The berry salt, right? I make some wine and make a taste it.
What kind of berry that?
The wild berry there.
Which one is that?
That pretty little thing that you see over there, so look purplish from the little tree there.
This is the tree here?
Right there.
That's a wild berry?
Yeah, that's the wild
Can
berry.
be eaten?
Right now.
Okay.
I can go more on you, some bigger variety.
Eh?
But yes, when you make wine with that,
Uh-huh.
oh Lord.
Oh, so you know, can get yourself involved. Why not? When the seeds them grow, you get some of the sucker and start a little orchard for yourself.
I'm going to do so.
Okay.
This is a first
Wow.
variety.
Banana. A planting that, Jason?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Nice, nice. And the rain really a treat to no good.
Very well.
Because everything green up and nice. Well, I can't talk about my can run the people in church.
I true kind of look better because you have more vision. It's all that way, but I true.
Eh?
The apple tree that begin? Apple tree the chunk. The apple tree this?
Yeah.
Big. He must have them a wild berry there.
What?
Let see if I can zoom up on them.
Okay.
Yeah. He say,
When you drink the juice, and make everything feel like it's going to be alright. Just dry it like a syrup. Okay.
okay.
And put whatever
See
you
the
want.
parry, him say a wild berry. I'm going to make wine from it, so. And they have gungo. See gungo, a nice piece of gungo down there, so. And Korea say, nice, but it's late. Nice piece of gungo, you see it?
The climate change the gungo.
Yeah, the gungo thing, yeah. Maybe the people them don't know. Them call it pigeon peas. But maybe them don't know when it's seed, when it a beer. But I can't go down there so now in a people property. I could have go down there, but the place wet, you know. Gungo, for show them the gungo tree. So you not plant none, Jason?
No, I like gungo because gungo is one of the black bug pan nowadays. But I really like it. Take over everything.
Oh.
My man
Oh, yeah, Uncle Murphy, stop yourself. Nanka, come, Nanka. Nanka, come. I want the. I go watch Nanka come the road. Nanka, this in a bar. Nanka, that's Nanka there. I want them have on can manage my road up here. Go through, Nanka, go through. Yeah. Yeah. Nanka and Salah. Yeah, I want the one in the world that's it, they anchor that.
So the man just chop up the road and go.
Yeah, you know them they van there up here, so. Yeah.
And one of that, no one.
Alright,
No
so.
one like it, though.
Oh, I saw them tree, they grow a big deal, look here. Jesus! I mean, you saw the plant down at the them have a bus up. Yeah, so then see grow big. Papa lad.
Yes, them we see pan it. I then use my little fancy wish shear them.
Oh.
You dry them, and strip them and
We catch here.
here.
Okay. Alright. Comes.
Because as 60 years before, this a road that they clean. This a road that they
Oh, so around there, so they kind of condemn like, but this carry back a rich man, you
right
know?
back a rich man, but a foot track there around there, so only foot people could have
Oh,
really
so they must set up the road.
So the road has got asphalt in time to come.
In time to come, but the tractor not do a good job. All them bank they should have cut off.
Yeah.
But Jason, see the wild berry them right there, so we are look for you know, brother man.
I them see man there.
But up here some more fruitful man.
You know what happened is you know people in the upper kind of ridge up here so.
But it's nice and don't wish for the better people. You want for people them they do.
Exactly, that's why I don't
Your person nice man. Person nice, man not lie, that mountain nice. Alright.
So the well I see them control the water that is along the correct back field house, correct?
How this? I tell me the how this?
This let me see.
I'll close here one nice house, you know. Right there, so Uncle Murphy, watch this.
Christopher.
I tell you, say.
Alright, Christopher.
Nice close, you know.
How will you get so?
No Salah.
Maggi and Salah.
Oh, okay.
Maggi and Salah. I tell you, how far yam feel that, man? What yellow yam? Let me not take it down, they say pretty. Yo, me not even catch it good.
Nobody saw him name they used to.
Yo, Parry man a teacher in a district and the man have him feel, yo. Some people they live down there so one time. Yeah, Lord Jesus.
But Mr. Smith father and mother live down there now.
Oh.
Smith live there so.
Yeah, so they grill up to you know, yo, yeah. Yeah. Let me not tell you.
So, we are work with the strength, you know, Auntie Debbie. This
Yeah,
is
take
strength.
time, go down. This is strength, this is district.
I strength at district is hard.
So we wanna hope for achieve, we wanna work. We hope for move from here, so.
We are planning to achieve the whole of the land and go straight back to over.
Them land here?
The whole of the land farm.
So we're not gonna find the people if it lease it from them.
When we get the money for buy out the land, we will buy them out quick.
Oh, you go buy them out, but you know if them at never tell the land, you did that title.
Not paying the lease, some of them not paying the lease.
Yeah, but to buy a piece of land, they must have good document.
A government will go to the land, you know, because they're on record to sell.
So then the record to sell, no taxes not pay for them. So in a year, Parry, no taxes not pay for some land up here. So anybody want to get a piece of land, you come in and you go to the tax administration.
Yeah, don't do the land police there.
Okay.
You give one big list and you sell them Lewisburg and you must also
a good thing, so me come in, come pay for Mama one kind of see in the planet too. Papa Jesus. Mama would have turned in nine grave. Uncle Murphy? Mama would have turned in nine grave.
The thing we save them land, you know, you see.
A true man.
When you work on them. It's like you come see I work on them now.
Yeah, man. Them a go around, man, all island. They have them on their list, you know. And you don't pay your taxes, you know.
Yeah.
So you come in, Parry, come pay up on the taxes and bill up and look up here and look good and I play. I call Tommy if him not have no fall and curry.
You upper yard, the upper shop there you pass him.
Oh, which shop?
Upper Sherry.
Upper Sherry shop, so. You no carry down Jason. Jason a guy me had, so.
Alright.
So Jason, give me a fear that bag and this a fear for fireman. Terrence, give me. So you have to go tell that when I Parry send something for curry. Last time me and I did a talk, one a wait, so you have to sell them tongues, so.
Okay.
Them love your father upon the Debbie strength, so one of the Parry send something, you know. She don't know saying I country and have no driver and you have to go, so. I'm not going to call her name, so just tell her thanks.
So me I say give thanks to the nice individual.
Yeah, we call them Parry. Wait, man.
Oh, we call them Parry?
Yeah.
Alright, Parry, me give thanks.
She know herself, man.
You know yourself and
so
me give thanks here because as I say, it really a clean to go to not be from the country as of the show. So we appreciate every effort that every individual have put out and we are give praise just to know.
So tell them, because you know, go there today because Christmas Day, but you talk to them at the hospital, you say, they're not giving you, you know, them not going to give no weapon info, but them say, tell them.
The fire Curry, we call him fire, but then Curry Hopman, and him not come back fully yet, but then he might come back slowly, so we are waiting on the time to tell, and only time can really tell.
All right.
So we have hope for some prayer, only for prayer. As a
Yeah, man,
matter of
whole
fact, I
papa, they must send up film, them, man.
You can't too much.
Yeah.
And I hope you speedy recovery, you know. And give thanks to everything we you do so far, Auntie. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
And big up yourself.
Yeah,
and have
cool.
yourself a beautiful holiday.
Yeah, man. We want curry in our place, though.
No worry yourself, man. Curry soon come, man. You might come for New Year.
Alright, alright.
I believe that.
Yeah, with all the power, without no power, we not no power. With all the faith, yeah, yeah, man. Sorry, we are take time push out back out type place, yeah. Carry down to hospital, we have to go stay. Go sit to Jason. As I know you're saying I pray, I click then saying wake up, but
We move again.
yeah, yeah. So we have to take time, go down back the road there, you know. Road bad, but Uncle Murphy are taking time. Taking his time and going down.
Going down to paradise.
Not tonight though.
Today.
Not the idea we are going down there.
Boy.
Yeah. We are go back out to curry, you know, but no curry not there. Curry not die there. Yeah, go down to a curry, you know. Curry place this, you know.
Curry. And in light.
The light left on, them have to go to oh, no curry that quarry, no curry no there, curry gone out of hospital liquor. Yeah, you know, get the guava bush, Daddy.
Oh,
Yeah, I got this stuff, you go get the guava bush. You can't bother go in the bush. And if you see any more tree when we go down the road. And look a boy here riding in the bush, yeah. That picnic I grow, you know, you wouldn't see all them and something, you know. Oh, where did we get bicycle from? Skate. You know skate, Uncle Murphy?
Yeah.
Skate. See how when you see them a shoot off a few hill there come now? Yo, we want justice round at St. Mary in my district here, so we want the road fix here. Justice from the Jamaican Deb's train.
We fix the road.
We fix the road, them a be a little grade off and not even grade good. Justice Parry, Justice Road.
Don't say a pure mud.
Me yes, I don't let stay bad.
Mud.
How that? I walk all you. Must cob. Cob?
Oh, there, Wagwan. Merry Christmas.
See guava there, no?
And go out there, so.
Guava bush.
And we are in a party, we are come back home, so we are out a little square. When I look square, we go shop there. Something there. And if you want to go broke it for me, I want some guava bush. A long time I don't boil no guava bush, it's good enough. So, we got any tears in a party until we hear and we get anything from Curry. Yeah. Until we get anything from Curry, we make on know it go car. Boy, Curry give the people them a warm time for go to the hospital. Curry say I'm not going to the hospital, my big man. So I never know say I'm bigger than anybody else. Big man, everybody up here big man and big woman. But the Christmas day look one way in I place, it just look one way in I not true. All first time when they have picnic on Christmas every year, you know.
Exciting.
People come and that's why COVID, you know, nobody now.
Yeah, I did know.
Yeah, nobody now deal with that.
It's last night. It's created out early.
Yeah, from so. And all the little people when they come from town come in our place, come look for them family. Nobody now come. So I decide there. So Parry, just make sure son stay blessed, stay safe until we talk again. From the Jamaican Deb's train.